Who are the most persecuted minority in the UK? Who faces the worst discrimination and has to endure the most hostile conditions while living in this country? There is an objectively correct answer to this question. I want to give a few clues before discussing the answer. The most persecuted minority are not Muslims, Jews, or Sikhs, or any other religious minority. It's not black people, or brown people, or white people, or any other skin colour. It's not disabled people, or homeless people, or unemployed people, or people with any particular medical condition. It's not LGBT people, or any group based on gender orientation. It's not people with low income or wealth. However, the most persecuted minority in the UK do form a very concrete group and are extremely easy to identify. There are approximately 650,000 of them living in the UK, forming 1% of the population. Anyone who spent more than a week in the UK will almost certainly have seen or spoken to them. For the vast majority of these people, their membership to this minority was an accident of their birth. Apart from being in the UK, this group of people did nothing to earn or deserve their membership to this identity. Nonetheless, their membership, which they did not choose, comes with the following conditions. They can be immediately put in prison without a trial, without a judge, without a hearing, and without a lawyer. They are prohibited from renting accommodation, and any landlord found renting to them will be committing a criminal offence. They are prohibited from using the NHS, and any doctor found treating them will be breaking the law and may be subject to disciplinary action. They are prohibited from working, and anyone employing them will be liable to a fine of £10,000 or more. They are prohibited from obtaining a driving licence, opening a bank account, or accessing any other public benefit. All of these prohibitions are explicitly because of their membership to this particular minority. They are people without status, otherwise referred to as illegal immigrants. These are normal people in every respect, many who are talented, skilled, friendly, and loving people. But their name does not appear in a government database which separates those who are legal from those who are illegal. This distinction denies them from every aspect of life, humanity, and dignity, forcing them to live amongst us as ghosts in a constant state of fear and uncertainty. All of the prohibitions and discriminations that I have mentioned are new, implemented slowly over the last 3 to 4 decades, by our Parliament, which we voted for. There is nothing historic about the way we have chosen to discriminate against people without status. It is the way we have chosen to live now, in this time. So when you reflect on the difficulties you face in life and the hardships that you have to overcome, reflect on the hardships faced by people without status. None of us can truly complain of discrimination to ourselves when we perpetuate a system of discrimination towards others.